everyone. I'm Doug Dunbar. Join CBS 11 at the 2011 Fort Worth Alliance Air Show presented by Bell Helicopter. You'll see amazing performances, including 2 North Texas heroes from Argyle and Ponder. They'll be flying with the elite U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds.
And don't miss Mike Goulian in his Extra 330, brought to you by Goodyear Aviation Tires, Sean Tucker and Team Oracle, and more.
Admission is free. Parking down there will be $20.
The Fort Worth Alliance Air Show, October 22nd and 23rd.
Come fly with us at TXA 21 and CBS 11.